In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your ELO rating on chess.com. Whether you're a casual player or a competitive enthusiast, knowing your ELO can provide valuable insights into your progress and skill level. Let's get started by navigating to chess.com. You can simply type chess.com into your web browser or click the link if you already have it bookmarked. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to acquaint yourself with the layout if you're not familiar. Now direct your attention to the middle of the left side of the screen where you'll find the login button. Click on it. This will take you to the login page where you have several options to access your account. If you've set up your account with a username and password, go ahead and enter those details into the designated fields. Remember to keep your credentials secure and be mindful of your privacy. For those who prefer using social media accounts, there's also an option to log in using Google, Apple, or Facebook. This feature can save time and add a layer of convenience if you often juggle different platforms. Personally, I like to use my Google account linked with chess.com as it seamlessly ties in with my existing digital ecosystem. So if that's your preferred method too, simply click on the Google option and select your account. Once you've accessed your account, you'll be able to explore the full range of features that chess.com has to offer. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to finding your ELO rating. Position your cursor over the chess.com logo located in the top left corner of any page you're on. This is an essential navigation tool that opens up a menu with various features designed to enhance your chess experience. From the drop-down menu, select Stats. This will direct you to a comprehensive page displaying different statistics that pertain to your games and performance. You're almost there. On the stats page, scroll down until you find the ratings section. Here you'll see your ELO ratings across various time controls and different chess variants you might be interested in. These include classic chess match ratings along with blitz, bullet, and maybe even some variants you haven't tried yet. Seeing these numbers can be incredibly motivating and provide you with insights into which areas you might want to focus on to improve your gameplay. And that's how you can easily check your ELO on chess.com. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Whether you aim to climb the ranks or just enjoy the game, knowing your ELO can be a great tool to measure your chess journey. Thanks for joining me today and happy playing.